Okay, I have found the butter dish. Let's see how Miranda takes the news. Miranda Wetzel, can you come here for a moment? Miranda? Can you come here for a moment, please?
No, it's Peanut.
Okay, Peanut, can you come here? I wanted to show you something. Look at this.
Ooh. The guy returned it.
What do you think happened? How do you think it came back?
I know. It was all about luck and magic.
Okay. Miranda?
And I wished it for Knuffle Bunny. When I wished it that Knuffle Bunny would come today,
all right.
and I said the magic and luck also that nothing missing.
Okay, we're
That
getting a little
missing.
off.
And I said then
Okay.
Knuffle Bunny come today, and that was that. And I said it was all about luck. On time.
Okay, Miranda, what happened? How did we get the butter dish back? I think we're getting off the beam here.
She's saying the guy traveled through the vent, and so then he would return it.
Why would a robber return a butter dish?
No. I did not see right. Ow. Yes. Because he got away.
Well,
If we need to play asleep.
okay, this is not really wrapping up here. Okay, well,
Bye.
I'll tell you what.
Because he goes away.
Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, it's over.
Bye.
I was going to say, if a robber came in the house, I would say, what would I say? I'd say, you, sir, are playing a dangerous game, and there will be consequences. And I'd shake my fist like this. That was for Aubrey, Susan, and Rachel. All right, well, there you go. The butter dish found. It has been recovered.
No, you did not. You're just making it up.